hatchshacks.com. We are in Creedmoor, North Carolina. I had to think about that for a second. En route to the Tiny House North Carolina Street Festival. And we got here, flew into Raleigh, me and the crew, a night early as we get ready to do a hands-on workshop. Lots of hands-on workshops, Diedrichs and Brothers style on the way. But that's besides the point. This is a one-take tour of a tiny house also on the property of a cool garage conversion that we stayed in last night. And what I particularly love about this place, and I'll show you right from the start, from the get-go, is this right here. So this is a very tiny, like, shed conversion into a tiny house. There's a copper sink, but check this out. One of the more inventive tiny house sinks I have seen. Creative. A lot of repurposed furniture in here with some modern touches as well. For instance, the exposed silverware and utensils storage. An island counter over here for cooking, all in this small space, which is great. This Magic Chef vintage fridge is just great. It's a new model, but made to look old. One thing I love, you guys, if you followed my channel before, you know that I'm a big fan of just scavenging, salvage, reusing. Cool table made from almost a serving tray here. Some wing-back chairs. But check this. Up in the ceiling. This place isn't, I guess, officially done. It might be the reason for the lights, a future rental and or YouTube studio for the couple that run this pretty amazing Airbnb. But the ceiling here, let me get around the lights. It's all, and I think some of them are from the area, maybe from the farmhouse they bought. All repurposed, old school doors, giving the ceiling this really cool patchwork kind of look. And I love how they even left the hinges on some cases up by the ridge there. They were telling me, love that stained glass too, the wood here from the region, these are tobacco drying sticks, or the rods that would hang tobacco from in the drying houses of old. This lighting fixture with the Edison bulbs, let's see if it focuses properly, is kind of incredible in its sparseness. Up here you get a peek at some more of the doors they built into the ceiling. It's the running theme there. A very sturdy sliding ladder to ascend up to the loft. They self-milled the floor planks here. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything else. I'll pull back here so you can see the full scope of this. This is kind of their seating area for the studio for filming. Old British style Victorian couch. Stephen Harrow's out here with us, and he kind of said, I can almost envision a bunch of old British ladies gossiping and drinking tea there. It smells great in here because there's new pine on the walls. I haven't actually looked up in the loft yet. Let's see. Yeah, this, I believe, slides or pivots at least. I'm not going to do it while I'm on it. Up here, full-size mattress. Another great stained glass window. And some ample space for storage. I love the, and I don't mean this in a bad way, like the roughness and hokiness of some of the ceiling work. For instance, this right here, where's my finger? There it is. It's an old shelf, you know, wall shelf, and there's the curve in the end of it that they left. You can see all the nail marks and some of the collar ties and boards. There's an outlet here in the ceiling, I'm noticing. And these really neat double wide barn doors as well. And again, the coolest part in it, like I said, is that sink. So just wanted to share with you guys. One take tour again. I'm your host Deke. Airbnb.com. Like I said in the description, check it out below. Check out some of our future workshops that are upcoming and our travels. I got a new book called Micro Living coming out soon. Check that out and pre-order. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will see you later.